this is Jennifer with Rent Portland Homes. I'm here today at 2108 Northwest 16th Avenue in Portland. This is a riverfront condo, 3-bed, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Gorgeous river views right outside your front door. Let's take a look. Taking a look at the front living room area. There's a gas fireplace. We have beautiful cherry hardwood floors throughout. Kitchen has equipped with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Beautiful gas stove. Got one sliding door. This is facing the garage side, the back end. We do have a half bathroom on this level. So let's take you downstairs where you can see the garage and the laundry area. See, it's a pretty spacious garage. A couple shelves for storage as well. We do have a large storage closet on this level. And this is the laundry room. Washer and dryer will be included. And there's another storage closet. So let's swing back around and check out the upper levels, where you can see the bedrooms. Nice open area up here. All right, coming into the first bedroom. So I'll swing the camera around here so you can really see an overview of the room, because it's quite spacious. And you do have a terrace on this side. Take a look at the closet space. This one's pretty deep. And then we have this large walk-in. All right, and the master bathroom. Bathtub. The shower. Very roomy. Nice large kitchen counters, bathroom counters. Excuse me. Let's check out those last 2 rooms. All right, let's go this way first. Let's go to the closet space here. And on this level, you have very high ceilings. And a balcony. You get a gorgeous view of the Willamette River. And some nice city views from the side as well. Here's the bathroom. Shower. And the third bedroom. All right, well that's it for the tour. Hope you like what you see. Check out all of your properties at rentportlandhomes.com. If you'd like to schedule a viewing of anything, or if you have any questions, give me a call at 503-443-9331. Thanks for watching.